Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because of course it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi for this operation. And then let's enter the Play Store. Now all you have to do, if you are of course signed in, just tap on this circle, which is simply your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to enter the Manage option, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps and games which are currently on this device. And if you'd like to check the available updates, just tap on this option. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 39 updates available, and of course we can update all of them, but if you'd like to update only one or two, then find the app you'd like to update, and in my case it will be, for example, the Gmail and the Google. And now we have to just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and after getting back there, you can see that both of those apps will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and actually automatically updated, so you do not need to do anything more. So I have no idea what's that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.